Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. No motorbike. We are going where? We are going to Chinese traditional medicine clinic. To get what? To get some stickers, which will hurt to take off. But we love. Oh, that was fast. I loved it. Still on the way. 0 kilometer speed. All you slowpoke. What is that? Oh, there is garbage. Come on, here was no parking? Was there no bugging here? Pull it away completely, right? We are done with the sticker. I mean, hello? What are you laughing about? Huh? What are you laughing about? We are always... Okay, we are back. Let's go home.